Hello everyone, I'm Nitu. Today we are going to talk about PowerPoint presentation. It's very easier manner in your desktop or your laptop. So we can waste your time. We can't waste your time and start in your laptop. Firstly, we are going to window button and then search PowerPoint. So we can show that PowerPoint 2013, it depends for your version in your laptop or your system. If you're 2007, 2010, year 2013 as your laptop version. So we can start in our laptop is PowerPoint 2013. Then click on this PowerPoint. Then screen will be open. A number of options will be show. So then we can click a blank presentation. We can double click a blank presentation. Then you see that your screen will be open. If you then you see that there are number of menus will be shown in your front in PowerPoint. File, home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, and view. These all are the collections for helping in your PowerPoint presentation. But most commonly will be used in home, insert, design, animation, and slideshow. So one by one, we can start the step for creating a presentation in very convenient manner. So firstly, we are going to home page and firstly is for your depend. First one, we have to save your presentation. Yeah, uh, it's your then start the blank presentation and going to home page and create a slides. It depends for you the number of slides you have to create, then click on then start in first slide. We can show the double options. First click for a title and second for add the subtitle. So then double click for a show is first is click show your screen. First we show in click the add the title and second on click on add the text. It depends for you. First one we have to double click and perform a text. For example, I text computer. This is my title and we are going in depend for you in bold, italic or underline. If you change your font, then we going to font and we have used different font mark and it's your size. It's depend for your text size you are show it. After that, then click on add text. If you are use a number of text, we are click on this. For example, anything else we are show it's for depend for you. If you are change your color, then click on this. It's your requirement. If you already text change the color, then select and right click on their color. If show if we show in paragraph form, then we click their text, double click and show their different format in paragraph format. If you show as your requirement. And then click on this subtitle and show in different format. If you show in numbering form, alphabets form, Roman form, at depend for your requirement. Yeah, if you any special symbols as your requirement. So next, as you define next slide, again same as use another. Same procedure as follow for this, and perform the text. Next, we are going to insert. Next step, we are going to insert button. Then again, we click the new slide and show the number of options. Table, pictures, online pictures, screenshots, photo albums, shapes, small art, charts used in mathematical form. It depends for you. Word art. For example, I create a table, then you select in this table or you are create a table in insert table. It depends for you, then select the number of rows and number of columns. Then I select the 7 columns and 4 rows and then OK. So I create my table, and after that creating, then number of designing options for a table as you depend, then if you choose anyone. If you select any row and column, then double click and select your column and row, and then right click. This is table will be a create. If you depend, then double click and perform your text. Anyone, if you create which type of table, then to perform a text and show the title. If you show a table, then double click and change the font and the size and show in center. Then table will be a create. After that, then we're going to design. Their number of designing format will be available as your requirement. Then click and your slides will be a change as your choose their different design format, and then select it. And after that, we are going to animation form. Then double click and you are use the different font form animations as you choose, then we have to show it. Duration timing is also, it's for your requirement. You highlight your animation ppt is defined for your duration timing. For example, it's a number of options will be a show that. After that, we are going to slideshow and your slides will be a show. Then we click on from beginning and see that your slides will be a show that. If we create on a new slide, again we are going to home page and then create new slide. And if not show, We are going to lay out only blank will be a show. Then we are going to slide window and click on from beginning, and you see that click in your left and right button, and so this PowerPoint will be a create a very convenient PowerPoint presentation will be a create. It's a save on your text desktop or your document as you wish. I save in desktop for computer and then save. After that, it's close and I check in desktop. It's this is my PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.